Guys to like, share, comment and follow, and turn on the notification bell. So guys, a cell phone dealer who operates at Ximex Mall in Harare was shot and robbed of 3 cell phones by unknown suspects. In a post on social media site X, police said the suspect had posed as a potential buyer of cell phones before he shot the dealer in the shoulder at Ximex Mall. Police said a cell phone dealer who operates at Ximex Mall in Harare CBD was shot in the shoulder with a pistol by an unknown suspect who had posed as a potential buyer of cell phones on social media. The suspect stole 3 cell phones. In an related incident, the driver of a bread and confectionaries truck and his assistant was intercepted by 3 suspected traveling in a Toyota Wish vehicle along the CHEGUTU road on 18 August and robbed. Police said police in CHEGUTU are investigating a case of robbery which occurred at the 35 km peg along CHEGUTU road on 18 August 2023. 3 unknown suspects traveling in a Toyota Wish vehicle intercepted a bread and confectionaries delivery truck before attacking the driver and the sales representative. The suspects stole 2 cell phones and $3,717.50, which is a US dollar, cash before locking the victims in the back of the truck. Anyone with information to report at any nearest police station. Police are appealing for information that may lead to the arrest of the suspects. So guys, nematambudziko zvakare kune mhuri yarasikirwa. And yes, I mean, this is the second case which I've known about for the last 2 years or so, whereby a suspect munhu anouya achiti aratenga mafoni kumadila vanotengesa mafoni mutown anogadzira mafoni maiphone machi, then end up unzonzi munhu akaurayiwa because munhu anenge anyepa kuti ara kutenga mafoni or end up akutouraya munhu. I don't know zvinofamba sei, but this is so bad, so sad. How can you kill someone else because of a cell phone? You know, iPhone kana kuti Android phone, come on, you can't be killing someone else because of a cell phone. This is bad. This is really bad. I hope whoever did this ngaabatwe nemapurisa. And yes, I mean, he may not be caught, but apara ngozi yekutoti ichamutera. That's why mizona vanhu vachizongotanga kupenga zvisinganzwisike. Vanenge vakaparadza vanenge vakapara somewhere. And so we'll be keeping you guys up to date here, the latest on Ximex TV hub for the communities. Pakatika any new information about a cell phone dealer ari kunzi akaurayiwa and akashandira paXimex. I mean, unotrayiwa by all means kuda kuraramisa mhuri, but you end up meeting wrong people and end up having this kind of situations whereby someone else will actually kill you because of those cell phones aunenge unawo iwayo. Munhu anenge ada kutouraya, maybe nenge iri mhepo kana maybe ada kukurobha or whatsoever. I still think kuti you cannot be doing that. You cannot be doing it uchida kurobha mumwe munhu ari kutrayiwa by all means kuda kurarama. I mean, this is so bad. It's really sad. I hope kuti vanhu vakadaro vakabatwa, they deserves kuti vanourayiwawo zvakare. And yes, vanhu vakadaro vafana kumbopuwa kana kuti 10 years kana 20 years kana kuti people like these people deserve to die, because how can you kill someone else akutrayiwa kuda kuraramisawo mhuri yake? This is bad, man. It's really, really bad. Nematambudziko zvakare kune mhuri yarasikirwa in this very sad situation. So guys, thank you for listening, thank you for watching. You're listening and watching to Ximex TV hub for the communities. Bless up.